Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. You see, you can use this anywhere you want. If you want, you can use it like a brim for your beanie. And I will use this yarn, Lamia Pastel Cotton. And I will use 4mm crochet hook with that. It's size 5 yarn, and it's 50 grams. I made this one with this too. I will use this one again. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I will start with a slip knot. And make some chains. It's not important how many chains you have. I think that will be enough just for now. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3 chain and into that fourth one make a double crochet. Insert your hook here, take the yarn and pull it through. I have 3 loops. Take the yarn and pull it through from first 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through from second 2 loops. And I will make one more and one more. I will just keep making double crochets for all the row. Actually, I want to share this stitch with you for a long time, but I don't know why I couldn't make it, and now I'm making. I think sometimes it's just not their time. I came to the end and insert my hook here and make my last double crochet. Okay. Chain 1, turn your work. Now we will make some kind of half double crochet, not a half double crochet. Yarn over, skip this first one and into the second stitch. We will make our sort of half double crochet from here. Okay? Insert your hook here, take the yarn. Now take this loop, grab this loop and pull it through from these 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook from here, take the yarn like that and pull it through from these 2 loops. That's kind of half double slip stitch. We will keep making like that. And And that's the last one. Sorry, I mean one here, and that's the last one. We will make from here to this is our chains. Okay. Chain 3, turn your work. Now we will make a double crochets, but not like that. We will not take 2 loops of our stitch. We will just take back loop. Insert my hook into the back loop into that first stitch. Okay, take the yarn and make a double crochet. Now keep making same thing, just use back loops. And you see here there's like 2 lines here, and it looks good. I like it. I'm at the end and made my last double, then chain 1, turn, wrap the yarn, skip this first one and into that second one, start to make half double slip stitch. That's the second and third. We will just keep making like that. Okay, when you finish this row, you will repeat this row. Just make back loop only double crochets and make it as you want. As you see, it's an easy stitch. I hope you like it. If you like, don't forget to push the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave comments. Series Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there too. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.